Hello guys!
Good morning. Happy Sunday.
Happy Sunday, hello muchachos.
Magkain kami ng
Burger!
burger.
Burger! Burger!
So, it's a burger Sunday.
Burger Sunday!
Yay!
Ibutangan ako og toothpick
With
para
milk.
stable.
Ha?
Ibutangan ako og toothpick para stable.
Mo ba?
Opo. I
Mm.
make it visible.
Oh,
I flatten
let's
it.
try with one bite.
Is it gonna be yummy?
Mmm. It's yummy.
It's the sauce. I can't shake it up while my hands are saucy.
Mmm.
Mmm. Oh. Wow. Wow.
It's yummy.
Yummy, yummy, yummy. Yummy, yummy. Yummy, yummy, yummy.
Yummy, yummy, my tummy. Mmm.
Milk.
Thank you.
Thank you, mommy.
Mmm.
Welcome to China Airlines.
What's a China Airlines?
Welcome to China Airlines.
Maubos ka ni?
Last one.
Ha?
Last one.
Just one, no?
Kaya ko na.
Pero kaya naman, no? Mmm.
Wow.
Ito nga.
Kukumba.
Cucumber.
No.
Lami. Lami siya, guys.
Oh.
Mamaligyan may burger, ani. Sunod.
Oh. Pamaligan ng burger.
Ikaw din, magbantay.
Mm.
Ha? Mamaligyan ka sa school.
Kung ako'y baseball bat.
Ano mong ibutang dito sa kantin?
Tapos ako nagatinda.
Hindi na, mag-school naman ka. Imbilin lang man mo sa kantin. Tapos pag
Pero kung humana akong school lang.
Maganto ka
tapos
dito.
Na,
Check mo kung nahurot. Tapos, pag pila ang halin,
kuan ako ang baseball bat para kung
kung ano mo ganansya, ibayaran po mo ang kantin.
burger patty please na raw pa. Okay.
Ano ang pagbaligya ba? Para while you are studying in school, magbaligya, yapon ka. Kung may income na ka, may baon na ka. No?
Ako na magbayad sa akong Robux.
Oo, ikaw na magbayad na yun. I'll give you just startup capital.
How much?
May match mga 5,000 siguro eh.
Ah!
Ba?
Lower it down by 1,000 only.
1,000 lang.
Or 1,500.
Tapos, pag
Lower it
mudaghan,
down by 1,500. Lower it down by 1,500.
pag mudaghan na,
Dad, lower it down by 1,500.
okay, 1,500. Sige, 1,500.
Lower the 5,000 my money to 1,500.
Sige, sabihan natin si Mami.
So I will
Si Mami, tagaluto.
Mami tagaluto. Tapos ikaw taga-serve. Ako
Hindi.
taga-protekta.
Eh ano man, ihatod lang man. Deliver, tag-deliver ako. Tapos, i-collect mo ito sa kantin ang halin.
Kung collector.
Ikaw collector. Ano ka hindi? Para na kay pang ano? Makay pang palit sa imong dulaan. Kung may ginansya.
I will buy you new clothes kung inana na ko.
You will buy me new clothes? Kung ano na ka? Kung nagabaligya na ka? Ah, kuyawan.
Every day I higher the price.
Ah?
It's up to 100. Only.
Wala na magpalit kung everyday you will higher the price.
Ikuan. Tapos,
Dapat ano lang, you upgrade your tawag ani, your menu.
it's a menu pala. Tapos build a stone. Kuan.
Menu, like ano, sample.
Like,
Wala tomato. Dungagan ni mag tomato, so you upgrade the price because you add tomato or you add what we call this one, cucumber
pickle,
or pickle.
cheese.
Oh, if there's a cheese that kuan,
Even
you add the price.
Even I will say.
Maybe you add.
Even I will say SpongeBob.
Or-
Even I will look for SpongeBob and palutoon na ko siya.
Or you will lower the price. You just put egg and cheese like that. It's a egg on the bun or egg on the lang. Or you produce hot dog also. Ba? Okay?
How about we make the akong building canteen 2.0.
O pag na kay dakong income mag-building na ka. Pag wala pa kay kantin, ay wala pa kay income na dako, mag-ano sa ka? Magrenta or supplier.
Saka sa toothpick.
Supplier lang sa ka.
What are you doing?
Wala man.
Sa toothpick.
Ikaw lang i-erase ang cream. So, ana ra, no? Fights.
Kung 1,000 na akong income,
1,000 na yung income,
tapos 20 lang, pero kung naay gamay na bata, gusto og burger, pero 10 lang, pero naay yung mama, tapos ingon yung mama, Jeng, magtinda na daw ko inani. Tinda daw ko inani.
Just like in the restaurant, no?
But this is in black.
tinda na siya. Dili na matagaan ng bata kung 10 lang iha.
Opo, walay refund also.
Tagaan mo siya. Ano mo? You can have it half lang.
A half burger.
Or a burger that is not like this. Not too much patty on cheese. Simple lang.
Kung he
For
has
10 pesos.
Kung he has $10, 10 pesos pala, you can buy a half.
Yeah.
You can buy a half.
Or
a piece.
yeah, not so much fully loaded na patty and lettuce. What is this? Cheese and other stuff. Okay?
If they want the cheese,
Okay, ubusin mo na
If
yan.
they want
Bye-bye,
the
bye-bye.
if they want the cheesy beef burger,